Hi everyone, and welcome to Christmas Village 2025. I hear the train, so let's get down to the business district and take a look. The train is running nicely through our village. Not a lot new this year, but we do have here in the center of town a new fancy Christmas tree ceremony going on with this beautiful lit up tree. All our fun friends and characters. A few things, the bridge is now over here. The lake has moved. And that's to make way for over here, the new fire station. Behind it has that lovely little wreath store. So many fun buildings. Back here. And this building has a new front gate. Come down over here. The elementary school skating rink. We just changed over in this section. The ski mountain, the snowboarders. So many beautiful things going on up here. Past the beautiful water tower, and we get to Santa's village. Santa Claus and the reindeer. All right, let's go over to section 2. And over in the country village, we have the zoo and all our fun zoo animals. The Santa sleigh. Oop, which fell over. Let's fix that. Firehouse. Front here. Good. And the new little bridge up here. Craft beer. A little bake shop. And back here there's a new ceramic tree. When we go over the bridge, we have the new little duck pond over here by the old mill. We have the windmill, farmer's market, all our lovely country look, and our tree lot over here by the water, the lighthouse, and of course we get into the animal territory, the horse barn, and the pig farm with all the chickens and ducks and geese. And we get over here with some more chickens and ducks and friends. And we get our cows. And we're back over here. Our little squirrel friends are having fun on the wood pile. Now let's go to night view. Alright, and this is our village at night. That is our train. Everybody all lit up. Look at that tree with the lights off. So pretty. Our houses lit up. Here, the residential area, all lit up. Here, looks very jolly at the skating rink. Lights on the water tower. Savings Village. Section 2. So pretty and lit up. Across the river, windmill. Lighthouse shining. All our farmland all lit up for Christmas. I hope you're all having a wonderful Christmas season.